Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a curry fish recipe. Now this curry fish recipe, guys, is with freshly caught fish that I caught since this week. And there's a list of my ingredients. You know, I love the colors. I love when my recipe is filled with colors. So there I have a wide variety of bell peppers, my onion, my scallion, my garlic, my tomato, and my ginger. Let's get this show started. Now guys, for this process now, here I have my all-purpose flour. What I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the fish so that when I'm frying it, it doesn't break apart. So I'll start this process before I heat the pot, because I can set it aside while the pot is being heated. So without further ado, just want to gently coat it. Not much, because as I said, you don't want the fish to break up. And just set that aside and just repeat the process. Guys, I'm so excited that it's fishing season again, because of course, you know, it's one of my favorite things to cook, fish. So I normally catch my own. Love fishing. So guys, as I said, just to coat it so that it doesn't break apart, I'm just gonna set them on the side of the dish. One thing I forgot, guys, is that I should have just got the stove light so that it can start heating up. But my hand is already in the flour mixture, so I don't want to trouble the stove. So guys, you just want to coat it. You don't need to coat all of the fish, but just coat it so that you know the side that is going to touch the pot and go into the oil. See, this piece is the biggest piece of the fish, which is close to his neck, or his neck should say. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be adding it to the fire. So guys, here I am now. I'm just gonna add some of my oil while the pot is being heated. I just wanna make sure that it's hot. And I have my fish here ready. It was a nice size fish, guys. My only fish that I caught that day. I wasn't really looking for a lot. I just went to test the water for my first time going back fishing. But I caught a nice 3-pounder, or maybe more, 3.5. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add the fish to the pot. Okay guys, now what I did, I tip a piece of garlic in the pot to see if it's ready. So guys, I'm gonna gently add the fish. But you don't want the stove to be high to burn it, so you put it on medium heat. Okay guys, you want to check them now to see if they are ready to turn. Yep, there we go. Now guys, that's the real purpose of adding the flour, because you don't want the fish to break apart. You see that golden color from the curry? I have a few pieces that I might throw in, but that's how you want to get it. So guys, now I'm gonna remove a few of the pieces that I've already gotten to the texture that I need and put it on my paper towel to just get rid of some of the oil. And of course guys, you know, I'm going to use this oil now to make the gravy. Now because I have a few pieces in that's not done yet, I have to remove these so that they don't burn. Some pieces of the throat that I'm also currying, and the tail. Here we go guys. So guys, when next you join me, it's the seasoning of the pot time. Okay guys, now that I'm finished, what I'm gonna do, start the seasoning of the pot, as I call it. So guys, I'm gonna pour some more oil. I had to take out that oil because it was too much, but I just decided to just add a little more for the sauteing of the herbs. Let's get this started. Okay guys, now that we're ready, first and foremost, the garlic and the ginger. And the onions, because you know these herbs are potent, so you have to like saute them for a while to get rid of some of the strength from it. Make sure that your stove is down. Now guys, at this point you can add some curry, but I'm not gonna add any because I already have the curry that I had seasoned the fish in, so I'm going to use that to marinate and get that curry look. So guys, there you see the onions and everything is sauteed. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add the bell pepper. Guys, I just use this amount of bell pepper because I just love the colors of the pot. So don't mind me, you don't have to use all this bell pepper. I just love the colors. Look at that. I just love when my pot is well colored with herbs. Gonna add my tomato. So guys, know that, ooh, got one jump out of the pot. It happens. So guys, know that this is sauteed. What I'm gonna do, I know you have different ways you can do it after you saute, but this time what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the fish on top of the herbs, because as I said guys, I'm gonna add the curry mixed in with a little water. Oh gosh, fork drop. Make some space for this one. As I said, I curried the throat and those places too. I didn't want to waste the fish. Guys, this is how it looks like before I add the water with the curry. Okay guys, here's the water. You want to cover that up. So guys, when next you see me, I'll be showing you how it's going. Please remember guys, like, share, subscribe if you like my content. And thanks for my genuine supporters out there. You know yourself. Guys, look at that. Pot a bubble up. Yes guys, my pot almost ready. Look at that. So guys, when next you see me, you want to join me at the table. Yes my people, here it is. My curry fish recipe. Look at that guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.